Welcome to our Compact Laundry Showdown. Today, we're comparing two fantastic options for those living in small spaces. First up is the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub, a budget-friendly solution designed for portability and efficiency. Next, we have the ROVSUN Washer-Dryer Set, which offers full automation and a dedicated dryer for ultimate convenience. Let's dive into the details and see which one comes out on top. The Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub operates semi-automatically, requiring manual water filling and draining. This means you have to be more hands-on during the laundry process. In contrast, the ROVSUN Washer-Dryer Set is fully automatic, allowing you to set it and forget it. It handles all the washing tasks for you, making it a more convenient option for busy lifestyles. When it comes to drying, the Super Deal only offers a spin dry function, which means your clothes will still be damp after the cycle. On the other hand, the ROVSUN set includes a dedicated electric dryer that fully dries your clothes, eliminating the need for air drying. This feature can save you a lot of time and effort, especially if you have a busy schedule. In terms of capacity, the Super Deal can wash up to 8 pounds and spin dry 5 pounds of laundry. This makes it suitable for small loads, but may not be enough for larger families. The ROVSUN, however, boasts a much larger wash capacity of 17.6 pounds, allowing you to do bigger loads at once. This can be a significant advantage if you have more laundry to tackle. In conclusion, both the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub and the ROVSUN Washer-Dryer Set have their strengths and weaknesses. If you're on a tight budget and need something ultra-portable, the Super Deal may be the right choice for you. However, if you value convenience and automation, the ROVSUN is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons like